Very good evening, friends. This side Rahul Magan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. Standing today on 8th December 2020, I'm extremely pleased to announce that Treasury Consulting launched our own OTT platforms. OTT stands for over the top. As we understand that 2020 started with a pandemic, and unfortunately that pandemic costed world more than million deaths, millions and millions of jobs, and I don't know, thousands of bankruptcies. And God knows when this pandemic will go away, to be honest. In that regards, the online learnings played a very important role. And our Sheetal Academy has already launched many training programs, and more importantly, more training programs and academies are coming. And today we are extremely pleased to announce that we launched our own edu learning platform, which is TRFX Academy. Now, please be note that in this platform, we would be uploading videos between 2 to 3 minutes. And in 1 year, we would be uploading more than 100 plus videos. So first of all, this platform can be accessed on our website. So you can open the website. It is designed in such a way that you can open the website from desktop, laptop, mobile phone, Apple phone, Samsung phone, any phone, even smart TV. How you're going to access this has already been explained in a separate video, which is more or less uploaded on the YouTube. More importantly, the more important thing is that in this platform, we have divided the content into 5 parts, which is basic series, advanced series, exotic series, clientele series, and PPP series. PPP stands for private placement programs. So this is not relevant for everyone. This is relevant only for few people. In this, the registration process is very simple. The forget password process is very simple. The inputting process is extremely simple, and watching videos is very simple. More importantly, you can watch the videos as many times as possible, just like Amazon and Netflix. So example, there is a movie on Netflix and you wanted to watch this 100 times, go ahead. Netflix will not ask you, hey guys, you watched this movie already 20 times, why are you watching again? You can watch 100 times. Amazon Prime will not ask you, hey, this program you watched 20 times, guys, why are you watching this again? Amazon Prime will say, go ahead, watch. So similarly, you can watch any video any number of time, but similar like Amazon Prime and and Netflix and all, you cannot download the video. You can watch the video, and you can watch via mobile phone, desktop, PC, laptop, tablet, Apple phone, Samsung, or anything. The gravity of the video will change over the period of the time with the series. Example, the basic series would have videos, but high quality video would be in advanced series, and very high quality video would be in the exotic series. Clientele series means it is a series whereby customer who wanted to shot a relevant video. So example, you are our customer and you want us to shot a video on factoring. You want us to shot a video on factoring, and you don't want this video to come directly in the public space. You want only for you. So we will shot the video. So the cost of the clientele series is not yet given. On the cost wise, we have decided to make a cost in such a way that millions and millions of people, those who go to colleges, those who go to schools and universities, can afford that. So it's an initiative which has been taken by Treasury Consulting to make sure that we will reach to the maximum young guns. And you know the kind of content we are putting, right? So I don't think we need to explain that again. The basic series is going to cost you around 530 rupees, 530 per year, which precisely means less than 50 rupees per year. And the advanced series would be costing you around 700 rupees per year, while the exotic series would be costing you around, I would say, 900 rupees per year. Clientele series, like I told, it depends upon customer to customer, so the cost is that way. This is the beginning of Treasury Consulting in OTT platform, and the document has already been uploaded in the public domain. And since this document is uploaded in the public domain, you can access that document. In case you're still left with any question, you can connect to our back office, which is 9818485155. Our paid research group, our Sheetal Academy, our video trainings, the 13 plus different schools which are slowly in progress of Sheetal Academy, Treasury Consulting Group now have OTT. Commodity exchange is more or less 20-25% done. The Excel models pertaining to the commodities along with the hedge accounting, upcoming initiatives in treasury management system, and many more. In 2021, you will see that we would be in every sphere of the globe, as simple as that. And I'm not saying that we would end up as Amazon or Netflix or Disney Hotstar, but yes, God willing, very soon we would definitely try to be a good OTT platform who would be providing the kind of knowledge which people are looking forward. And you know that our knowledge is not like a degree. In what people are saying, if people are thinking like that way, be thinking like that. This is Rahul from Treasury Consulting. 8th December 2020 turned out to be an historical date when Treasury Consulting would be an OTT player. And unlike the established OTT player, those who are highly backed up by venture capitalists, we not did that for valuation. We did that so that we can reach to the youth, we can reach to the young guns, those who do not have knowledge. 530 rupees or 900 rupees per year, which is precisely 900 rupees per year, is around less than 80 rupees per month. So that a youth who is spending lakhs and lakhs rupees on a degree, and then he's feeling that, hey guys, I have spent lakhs rupees on a degree, tuition fee, examination, the transport and all these things. At the end, I'm still unemployed. What I need to learn to be an employed person, to work in a bank, investment banking and all. Considering that Treasury Consulting launched OTT platform, we were devising that platform long ago, but we kept this secret because we do not want others to disturb us. Many more secrets are in the cards. Don't worry. And God willing, very soon we would be linking this with your mobile phone so that you can do tick, 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 and you can, more technologies is on the card, but once you feel it, you will feel very happy. This is Rahul from Treasury Consulting. You know our WhatsApp, 9818485155. But before I go, right, very important thing which I want to tell you guys. Around 10 to 15% of the videos would be in Hindi also. So we will have a separate section for Hindi. We will have separate section for English. It is not that 100% would be in English. You have the videos in Hindi also. मोटा भाई, हिंदी में भी वीडियो होंगी, इंग्लिश में नहीं होंगी. टॉपिक फॉरेन एक्सचेंज, रिस्क मैनेजमेंट, ट्रेजरी, फिक्स्ड इनकम, CFA, GRP, FRM और क्या क्या टॉपिक मोटा भाई, सब कुछ सिखाया जाएगा. राइट? केक छो सब ठीक मोटा भाई. हैव अ गुड डे. थैंक यू.